Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha, and today we are going to talk about how to invest for passive income for the month of June. So it's been a while without making any video, but today we are going to make one video. So the first thing that you need to know when you're doing the passive income investing, my strategy is that I have to invest in the TSA account, and this is because the gain and the dividend that I will earn in this account should not be taxed, because as long as I'm still in the limit. So TFSA account is important if you don't want the gain and the dividend that you get. Another thing is like the type of stocks that you put in this account. So the first priority is dividend, no, dividend paying ETFs. So dividend paying ETFs are the first priority. And this is because if you want to buy this dividend, you have to benefit. So if you hold it for a while and then you get dividend paid out every month, if it get the capital gain and then you sell it and get the capital gain for that month or the day, whenever you see the capital gain, you can sell it. You also have that option. So that's the benefit of investing in ETFs. And plus, they also well diversified and they also stable fund that always survive the market turbulent. So that's the reason. Sometimes people also add some other individual stock that of their own choice, the one that they think like they are stable companies and they won't lose their money if they put money into those ones. For example, for me, I will add something like BMO, something like a Canadian Railway. So those things that are individual stock that I feel like they are good for dividend and also for capital gain. Another reason is that another strategy is that if you buy the strategy that you use also is the long-term one. So you are buying it to hold and to sell when the capital gain is up or is more than the dividend that you are getting. So that's the strategy, and you use the dollar cost average. Whenever the price goes down, you buy. Anytime you get money, you buy. So it doesn't have to be like a fixed amount, but you can do a fixed amount every month, and then you see how your capital gain will keep growing. So, and that is much about it. So today I want us to buy the VRE. So this VRE is part of the Vanguard family ETF. So we will type VRE.TO. So, because you are buying it in Canadian dollars, so you have to add .to. So when you click on it, you will now look at the price that you are able to buy today, which is the $32.75. So the 52-week high was 35 to 35 cents. Okay. So if you're buying it for capital gain and then you still have that room that that these stocks can increase for 3%, and then you will get that capital gain that you want. If you are buying it for dividend, so this is how much you will get per share every month, which is 7 cents. It's really very low. So sometimes people buy them for only capital gain because the dividend that they pay is really very low. It's even you are even off buying one of the ETF in the US that you buy you pay $25 and then you get a dividend of 80 cents or something like that. But this one, let's buy it and see if we can make a capital gain out of it, or maybe hold it and get the dividend. So when you click here, so let's buy 10 of them. So 10 will be 300. Okay, that's a lot. So let's buy 5 will be 160. 160, 150. Market value. So we are going to buy 5 shares of VRE at 32.75 cents, and you will pay 163.75 cents. So that's how much you're going to pay, and you send it. If you send it, you will now own 5 shares of VRE. We are buying this one for both capital gain and dividend. So the dividend for VRE is very low. So let's hope that we are going to get this 3% change in price. So let's see, and then maybe if our account grows, and then we can start buying ETF from the US, and we keep getting that capital gain or dividend whenever we want it. Thank you for watching. This is the end of the video, but let me show you now. We have VRE 5 shares, and we have BXIE.TO. So now this is not much more that we have been investing since January. I withdrew money from this account, which was against the rule. So now we are starting again, and we are going to work through it. So today we already earned $3 and something like that. So we are not going to sell this one. We are going to keep it for now and keep buying more. And then later on, if the capital gain is more, then we can sell it and rebuy them until our account grows to the point like where we can invest and not sell. So where we can now only get dividend paid, and then maybe get a capital gain in the future when our stock positioned turn 1 year or 2 years or something like that. And that is the end of the video. Thank you.